What a beautiful day. I've never showed you this area. I'm in a thicket. I'm pulling vines. So I just cleared out a whole ton of vines that are in here. Ooh, look at the sun. Oh, wait a second, there's a vine. I gotta go over there and get it. Oh, God. But I found something amazing. Look what I found in here. Look at this. Look at this beautiful bird's nest. Look how the bird made it with, look at the plastic. Look at that. All the litter. I'm always ranting about litter. Look at that. Something good came of litter. It allowed this bird to make this beautiful little nest. Okay, I don't have a good place to put the nest, so I guess I'm gonna stick it. Oh boy. I don't know. I don't have any good place to put it. I wish I could I'll just stick it up here. Okay. Yeah, whatever. There we go. Yeah, it doesn't look too stable, does it? Nah, doesn't look good. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh, some of the nest came apart. Oh, that's sad. Oh well, I'm just gonna leave it right here. Very sad. We'll see what happens next year. Okay.